Hi friends! In this video we are going to be talking about 9 different tools or apps that I use to help increase my productivity and save time. As a solopreneur, you can only do so much as one person. Making the most out of the time that you do have is crucial for new solopreneurs. So 7 of the apps that I'm going to be mentioning are apps that I currently use, and 2 of the apps or tools that I'm going to be mentioning at the end are 2 brand new tools to me that I've heard nothing but good things about that I'm actually going to be experimenting with, but I figured why not share them with you too. The first app is Notion. I love Notion because it helps me plan my content, my life. I keep all of my resources there, and it's become a hub for everything that I need as a content creator and to stay organized in my life. So Notion is free for, I think it's one person. There's a free or a paid option. I currently use the free option because I work solo. The second tool that I use is Stand With Me, and I use it as a shop in my link in bio. It allows you to actually schedule appointments with prospects. It's got a bunch of different tools built into it already, so you don't have to go and buy each tool individually, which is nice. Now, Stand With Me is a paid tool, but if you want to check it out, I will make sure that all of the links will be in the description below. The next tool that I use on a regular basis, which is the third tool, is VidIQ. I use VidIQ for keyword research for my YouTube videos. I love it because it actually gives you a score on the keywords that you choose and helps you optimize all of your existing videos. The nice part about this is that you can do it all for free, but there is a paid option. I also like VidIQ because it gives you 3 different daily ideas for videos that they think will rank well on YouTube. Next up, we have Answer the Public. I love Answer the Public because, first of all, it's free. You can get 3 daily searches for free. There are paid options, but I think that you really just need the free one. I love Answer the Public because you just type in your keyword and then it'll tell you questions that people are actually asking about that keyword. It gives you like a bajillion different content ideas. Next up is Uber Suggests, and this is also a keyword research tool. There is a free version and a paid version. It's also great for keyword research. It brings up all of the keywords and ranks them according to the cost for ads, and then it also brings up some articles. Next up, we've got Capcut, and I use it for editing my YouTube videos. I love all of the different stickers and elements that you can add to your videos. Plus, I really love their voiceover function. Next up is Splice, and I actually like Splice for their filters more so than Capcut and splicing up videos. I believe Splice is paid. I think I paid for it monthly. If you're trying to bootstrap and just need one app for your content creation, then I would suggest Capcut. So the 2 different apps or tools that I was telling you about at the beginning of the video that I haven't had a chance to use yet, but they're on my radar and I'm going to be experimenting with them, are ClickUp and Metrocool. So ClickUp is actually great for, ClickUp is great for productivity and content planning. The main differences between ClickUp and Notion, I believe, would be that ClickUp is less customizable, or it's like ready to use out of the box, whereas Notion, you can completely customize everything, which I find myself getting a little distracted by sometimes. Instead of doing actual work, sometimes I just am organizing things. So I'm excited to try ClickUp to see what the difference is going to be. And the next tool that is free but also has a paid version is Metrocool. Metrocool is, from what I understand, a one-stop shop for scheduling your content. It also has tools for competitor analysis and shows all of your analytics for your different platforms that you're on. Those were the 9 tools that I use to stay productive, and let me know if you decide to try any of them, or if you have app recommendations or tool recommendations, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.